Hello guys, Azrael here. I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to max a character like this quickly in like 3 to 4 days. So you can have a max character with max talent. See? So the first step guys is you do the you do the winter task event. So if you go to when you're playing at your account at first 7 days, you can see the winter cup. Go now. I recommend choosing Shun Izuki. Uh, I recommend choosing Shun Izuki to get all his training cards. Just take all his training cards. Unfortunately, I didn't do all because I was rushing. But my Kasamatsu is now maxed. I already have Kasamatsu, so I didn't need to do all this. Then after you max Izuki, I ano, I wanted you to max Izuki because after you max Izuki, you can reset him. You can just buy a reset talent card at the shop. If you go to shop, you can buy this monthly, and I recommend to use it once or twice only because the first reset return rate is 100% and the second reset return rate is still the same 100%. The third the third reset return rate is 90% and it gets lower every time you reset it. Now, why did I recommend Izuki at first? It's because if you go here, after you reset him, then you press this, you can choose characters here. You see this? There are many characters to choose from. You can choose Kosuke, you can choose Ryo, you can choose Imayoshi, Takao, Kasamatsu, Junpei, Shun again, and then Taisuke Otsubo. Whilst if you pick, let's say Kagami or Kuroko, if you reset them, the only talent cards they give you is limited. Like see, you can't see characters like Kasamatsu here, but you can see Moriyama. If you're going with Moriyama, you can get this because Moriyama's training card is not available from Izuki Shun, and Kagami reset and Kuroko's reset is I think the same. That's why I recommend. Oh my gosh, that's why I recommend Shun Izuki, guys. Yeah, they're still the same, and all first and second resets gives you 100%. So just focus on doing the winter task. Do all that. Reset your characters. Reset your character that you choose from the winter cup, guys. Then convert them to whichever character you have from that reset card. You can just choose a good player from that reset card because every player is good if you use them right. So, okay guys, that's all. Thank you. Azrael signing out.